Hello, Tikifire here with another Tikifire toy review. And this is Car and Truck Week here at Tikifire Toys. So this is a rather unusual and probably pretty rare Matchbox Hot Wheels size and style car. Yes, folks, it's Charlie Brown in a race car. Still pondering over this, why this was made, and who put Charlie Brown in a race car, and especially when this stylish and fast looking. I can't figure out why. I do recall having a whole series of these. I believe I had a race car of some sort with Snoopy in it, and I think his looked like a doghouse, of course. And I had one with Woodstock, if I remember right, but I don't know what happened to those, and that's just odd, you know? Why is Charlie Brown in a race car? Why are the Peanuts characters at all in a race car? If you look at the bottom, it says Viva, copyright 1980, United Feature Syndicate Incorporated, made in Japan, number 012. So he's a little loose in there. So this is a pretty rare little car. As far as cars go, it's cool. I mean, it looks cool. It rolls pretty well, even for a car that's that old, 34 years old. But yeah, it's Charlie Brown in a race car. I don't know what else to say.